In a revisit to history, Mayiga reminded government leaders that as Buganda, they will not tolerate any leadership that would undermine their king and may be a motive to stifle their operations as Buganda Kingdom. Mayiga says that not even a censure like one of the Obote era in 1966 can prevent them from demanding for their rightful position in Uganda. While highlighting the key achievements of the kingdom in the 25 years of Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II on the throne, Mayiga says that such development is just a slice of what the kingdom can achieve.
Era yanganga kabaka naffe tujja kumwanganga. Eri alitabaala Obuganda naye tajja kutereerawo wano. Obwakabaka butuleetedde enkulaakulana mu byenjigiriza, mu byobulamu. Obwakabaka buwa abavubuka emirimu. Obwakabaka bulwanyisa obwavu n'ebirala.
If granted the federal system of governance, he says this will allow them to deliver great service not only Baganda, but as well all people in Uganda. Charles Peter Mayiga applauded Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II for the good stewardship and highlighted his foresight in giving his reign to the youth. Mutebi on his accession declared that his reign shall be for the youth, who has furthered many developments in the kingdom, noted Mayiga. Stephen Mayombwe for Speak Uganda at Mengo.